In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Calendar to your desktop on Windows 10 or Windows 11. This can be incredibly helpful for managing your schedule conveniently without the hassle of opening a web browser each time you want to check your appointments or tasks. So let's dive right into the steps. Let's first head over to the Google website. This is your starting point for accessing all Google services, including Google Calendar. Simply open your preferred web browser and type www.google.com into the address bar, then hit enter. Once you're on the Google homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen for the Google Apps icon. It looks like a grid or dotted square right next to your Google profile picture. Clicking on this dotted square will display a list of different Google services you want to find and click on Calendar here. This will take you directly to your Google Calendar page, where you can view all your scheduled events and tasks in one place. Now that you're on the Google Calendar page, look for the three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu, located at the top right corner of your browser window. Click on this to open a side menu. From this menu, you need to find the option labeled Save and Share. Clicking this option will give you the ability to make your Google Calendar more accessible on your device. Within the Save and Share menu, look for a feature that says Install Page as App. By selecting this option, you are essentially creating a shortcut on your desktop that opens Google Calendar, almost like a standalone application. This means you won't need to navigate through multiple tabs or windows just to see your schedule. After you click to install the page as an app, check your desktop to see that the Google Calendar icon has been added. This shortcut allows you to open Google Calendar directly from your desktop with a single click. It's as simple and convenient as that. With Google Calendar now readily accessible from your desktop, managing your appointments, meetings, and reminders is more streamlined than ever. You have everything you need right at your fingertips. This setup is perfect if you find yourself frequently needing to check your schedule without wanting to keep a browser tab open all day. So, there you have it, a quick and easy way to integrate Google Calendar into your daily routine on Windows 10 or 11. Enjoy the convenience of having your schedule always in view, and say goodbye to the hassle of navigating through browsers for checking your calendar. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips and tricks.